my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you today. This one does not require any experience whatsoever. It is perfect to get your foot in the door if you've never worked from home, or if you're just starting out, or if you have gaps in your resumes, something to get that experience to be able to put on your resume to move on to other jobs. However, it is going to involve some customer service. The company is Beyond Finance. They have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And of course, I will link the company's Glassdoor page along with the job page if you want to put those applications in the YouTube description box below this video. But Beyond Finance is hiring a certified debt specialist. You get to work with people and help them find the best solutions for them, help teach them how to get out of debt, and you don't actually have to be certified. So like I said, this is going to be a customer service type job, and it does have a sales component to it. You will basically be engaging with prospective consumers who have requested information regarding debt consolidation options. You'll help get the client started on the right path towards their financial freedom and finding and providing a tailored debt consolidation plan that works for them. There's no reaching out and cold calling. All prospective customers have already said they are interested and requested the debt consolidation solutions before you even get their information. You're going to assess the customer's financial situation by asking them different questions about their debts, their income, all of that, and guide them toward the option that best resolves their challenges. Now, Beyond Finance is going to offer different financial products and different financial solutions, telling them what those are and providing guidance of what is best for them. Now, the base pay is $18 an hour, and you get uncapped monthly commissions on top of that. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree and no experience. They're someone who can work in a fast-paced environment and exceed goals, someone who sees challenges as opportunities, and someone who has strong written, verbal, and oral communication skills. Now, of course, sales experience or financial experience is a plus, but it is not required. Again, they're paying anywhere from $15 to $18 an hour for the base salary. You get commissions and bonuses on top of that, and they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.